So now let's do a facial massage for the morning to really help vitalize and wake up the skin for the day. Now I'm going to use a little bit of facial oil. If you like, you can use a face cream. And let's just first of all, just gently apply all along the facial area and also the neck. So starting with the collarbone, we're just gently tapping in an upwards motion. And this really does help with collagen production and also blood flow and circulation to the area. And then underneath the chin and working our way all along the jawline. And then just tapping from the chin all the way along, outwards motion towards the ears. And then the cheekbones. And then with the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch all the way along the eyes. And then just all along the forehead. So when it comes to the neck, I'm just literally just flicking with my fingers onto the neck, again waking up the skin. This is a great massage for the neck. And you don't want to be too heavy-handed because the skin on the neck is quite delicate and fine. So nice, light gentle flick if you like. And then with the thumb placed under the chin, the fingers above, we're now just massaging along the jawline. Round circular motions, getting everything going. And again, whatever product you've placed on your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. And then under from the nose, the nostrils, under the cheek area here, waking everything up. And then you just want to do a little bit of massage, upwards motion from the cheekbone. And I'm using my other hand as an anchor here. And then on the other side. And then just gently massaging lower part of the face. Light circular motions, really waking everything again. And I like to work sort of outwards and upwards. And then with the ring finger, just gliding under the eye where the bone is towards the temples. And then above the eye. And also under the eyebrow here. And then just massage almost in a flicking motion. And you're going to be working here now vertically on the forehead towards the hairline and working across the forehead. And then with the finger placed just again as an anchor, just a nice gentle massage, massaging all that product we've placed onto the forehead here towards the temples, and then on the other side. Trying to keep the face nice and relaxed. And then just gently glide now from the forehead, moving toxins and waste now down to the temples. Fingers in an outwards motion with our ring finger under the eyes where the bone is, all the way along. Thumbs under the jawline and just gliding now across. Don't want to stretch the skin too much, just nice delicate touch. And then with the fingers just gliding down, one finger behind the ear, the other's in front where the lymph nodes are. And then you want to massage all of the way along the occipital bone, the nape of the neck. And then when the fingers are touching, just gently glide down either side of the neck down to the collarbone, bigger SEM muscle. And then just glide down to our starting point, you could almost say finishing point, where we have our collarbone. We have a couple of indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved with in this morning facial massage into the body, ready for elimination.